let's mix things up a little bit in the Digimon community by opening cards upside down. Okay, first up, we've got this pack right here. Okay. The player card, don't need that. My shirt's coming up. Alright. You can't see them. I'm just gonna say them out loud. Howling Crusher, Arurumon, Geizermon, Bifrost, Patamon, Saberdramon, This Hurts, Kekimon, Code Cracking, Angliamon, Davis, and Craniamon. We did it. Oh gosh. We did it. Okay. Up next, we got this pack 1.5. Let's go. This really hurts. This is a terrible idea. The number card. Seadramon, Blossomon. Crap. Well, we skipped to the end. Imperialdramon Dragon Mode. Okay, hang on. Plasma Stake, Mega Seadramon, Geogreymon, Armadillomon. We have to stop fighting. Bastomon, Argomon, Malomytismon, whatever the heck it is. But here's the Imperialdramon. Oh my gosh, my legs hurt a lot. Oh. I actually got something good in this stupid video. This video was a terrible idea.